Okay, so let's review these questions that were asked after you watched this rock pocket mice video with Sean Carroll. So as Sean explained, that the mice are mostly black on these volcanic deposits in the desert, and that's because they blend in, and so natural selection has selected for black mice over the brownish mice. And so this first one says that mutations are caused by selective pressure in the environment. True, false? So hopefully you marked that it was false, but let's talk about why it's false. Do we find mutations that make you more adapted to an environment or another? And the answer is yes, we do, but where do those mutations come from? Is it because of the environment that they mutate? And the answer is no. So the main problem with this statement is that mutations are caused by. The selective pressure in the environment will cause the mutation to become more common or less common, but it won't actually cause the original mutation. The next one says that the same mutations could be advantageous in some environments and deleterious in another. And that's true, right? So if you look at those rock pocket mice, when they don't have a volcanic deposit, that particular black-coated mutation is very deleterious. But if they're living on a lava deposit, then that black mutation is very beneficial. So the mutations are random, but the effect of the mutation on their fitness changes depending on the environment. And then the last one, the appearance of dark-colored volcanic rock caused the mutation for black fur to appear. So this is the same problem as the first one. It's not the appearance of the volcanic rock that causes the mutation itself. The appearance of the volcanic rock will cause the mutation to become more prevalent because it gives them an advantage. But it does not actually cause the original mutation. Originally, the mutation is just due to random chance. All mutations are due to random chance. But you might be wondering, well, how is that possible? If we're not actually causing the mutations, do we really accumulate that many mutations by random chance? And the answer is yeah. So it turns out, if you look at you and me and you look at our parents, and just by random chance that didn't affect your survival, because here you are, you have about 300 novel mutations in your DNA that your parents don't have, either one of them. So those just happened during DNA replication in the process of meiosis to produce the egg and sperm that became you. Those mutations just occur, and most of them are silent, meaning that they're not advantageous and they're not deleterious, but some of them are. Sometimes you have a little funny quirk that gives you an edge. All right, and so having 300 per individual gives us plenty of mutations to be able to select from, and makes evolution very, very likely given the amount of mutations we have.